how to enable or disable alert when clipboard accessed on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on security and privacy. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on additional privacy controls. Then tap on alert when clipboard access. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And when you turn this on, the phone will alert you when an app tries to access text, images, or other content you have copied. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.